Think, every hunter that ever lived will envy us today. I've hunted tiger, buffalo, wild boar, elephant. But now, this is it. Shaped like a kid.
And that is the path laid by Time Safari for your use. Stay on the path. Don't go off it. I repeat, do not go off it. Say we accidentally kill one mouse here. All the future families of this one particular mouse are destroyed. And all the families of that one mouse. With the stamp of your foot, you annihilate first one, then a dozen, then 1,000, 1,000,000, 1,billion possible mice.
Does this safari guarantee I come back alive?
We guarantee nothing. Except dinosaurs. A Tyrannosaurus Rex, the tyrant lizard, the most incredible monster in history. Sinus release. Anything happens to you, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs are hungry.